Technology, it's what drives our world today. From banking and medicine to social media and public safety, virtually every area of modern life depends on reliable, uninterrupted access to critical data 24/7. That means there is no time for downtime. Protecting the electronic systems that provide for our technology-driven businesses and lifestyles is essential. For example, one of the most feared and often least talked about causes of data interruption is fire, because even a small fire can result in costly service interruptions, destroyed equipment, loss of valuable customer data, and even disruptions to vital services, such as emergency response and air traffic control. What's being done to protect your data resources and maintain business continuity? It's common to see water sprinklers mandated for fire protection within data center facilities. While sprinklers should be installed in commercial buildings to help save lives and property, they're not very effective at quickly extinguishing small fires hidden inside equipment enclosures, walls, and raceways. This means that a fire can get bigger and cause more damage before it can be put out. Water is also highly destructive to sophisticated electronics and media, as well as paper documents. But how do you protect your data center against losses caused by fire, especially downtime, which now averages almost 11 million per day? Today, more and more IT professionals are turning to an advanced clean agent known as Novec brand 1230 Fire Protection Fluid from 3M. Novec 1230 Fire Protection Fluid is based on environmentally sustainable chemistry. It is specifically designed to balance the unique and challenging needs for protecting critical assets. How does it work? Discharged as a gas, Novec 1230 Fire Protection Fluid quickly penetrates tight enclosures and obstructions, providing fast, effective extinguishment often before a fire reaches the flame stage. It also has no effect on energized electronics or mechanical components, leaves no residue, and is non-conductive, allowing systems to remain operational even during an emergency. In end use, Novec 1230 Fire Protection Fluid also offers the largest margin of safety among clean agents for use in occupied spaces. Equally important, Novec 1230 Fire Protection Fluid is an environmentally sustainable solution. It offers a global warming potential of less than 1, a 5-day atmospheric lifetime, and 0 ozone depletion potential. Compare these properties to HFCs, which have over 3,000 times the global warming impact of ordinary CO2. This means a lower environmental impact when compared to HFCs, providing a long-term solution for the life of our planet. Let's take a closer look at how Novec 1230 Fire Protection Fluid works when compared to water. We constructed a working simulation of a data center inside this fire test chamber to compare the ability of water and Novec 1230 fluid to extinguish a fire inside a typical server cabinet. The chamber has a detection system, water sprinklers, and a discharge system designed for use with Novec 1230 fluid. A test of the Novec Fire Protection Fluid-based system is run first. To begin the test, a technician ignites sheets of ABS plastic inside an empty server cabinet. As sensors in the ceiling detect smoke and heat from the fire, an alarm is sounded and the countdown to discharge begins. Once the agent is released, it quickly fills the room and penetrates the burning enclosure, extinguishing the fire in less than 20 seconds. A clean agent fire suppression system is designed to detect a fire at an earlier stage, helping to further reduce possible damage. After the smoke and agent have been evacuated, technicians re-enter the chamber to find that the energized servers are still functioning. Equipment and facilities show no signs of damage. Now we're ready for the water discharge test in the same fire scenario. As before, plastic sheets inside the same server cabinet are ignited, and technicians leave the room. 2 minutes pass, then 3 minutes. The heat of the fire rises to 91.9 degrees, and dense black smoke fills the room. Finally, after nearly 4 minutes, the sprinkler heads discharge. For 11 minutes, the room is deluged with water. Even so, the fire in the cabinet stubbornly refuses to go out. 15 minutes after ignition, a firefighter enters the chamber and puts out the remaining fire with a portable CO2 extinguisher. In the aftermath of the test, the server room is in ruins. Ceiling and walls are coated with black soot. Hundreds of gallons of water pool on the floor, and the drives and other components inside the cabinets are damaged beyond repair. Imagine the lost time, lost revenue, and damage to your reputation had such an incident happened inside one of your server rooms. Novec 1230 Fire Protection Fluid is a solution you can rely on for many years to come. Because unlike HFC clean agents, Novec 1230 Fire Protection Fluid is not targeted for phase down or regulatory restriction anywhere in the world. At 3M, our mission is not just to put out fires, but to help you maintain uninterrupted service, even in the face of a potentially disastrous emergency. Because in today's fast-paced, constantly connected world, there's no time for downtime.